Hello guys, in this great turning course we are going to make tutorials about InDesign. We are going to make detailed tutorial and very complete course for InDesign. The InDesign, as you can see, it's a very popular and power software in this leading page design, and you can lay out your pages, papers, and you can making poster, books, digital magazine, ebook, and interactive PDFs. For example, you can, in this artist, you can designing your books like this. Okay. As you can see, you can do everything in design, layouting your pages. For example, this beautiful and complex brochure. Okay. All of them made in InDesign. Or for example, this artist. Okay, that's it. Stay tuned with us for great turning course for InDesign.